Hi. So, okay, we're gonna clean the shark vacuum. Um, all right. So the first thing is to let's cord out of the way. All right. So, as you probably know, to clean the basket, you just lift this and then press those two to clear it out. Now, to do a deeper cleaning, you've got this filter here. You just pull it up by the handle. You can wash this and then let it dry, let it air dry. There's instructions here. Tap loose dirt off filter between washes and just rinse it and let it air dry. That's easy enough. And then you can put the basket back on and make sure it's secure. All right, so then we get into the under parts here. Let's see. Let me just bring the camera down here so you can see more of it. There we go. All right, so let me just get a knife. So to clean this part, you just pop these guys open to the left. Forgot one back here. There's all three of them are on the unlock position now. There we go. Oh yeah. So sometimes you get stuff caught back in here. That's where the suction goes back up into the unit through here. So make sure you clean that out. And then you want to get any cat hair or thread or whatever it's wrapped around the beater bar here. So just get rid of that. It's okay to use a knife to scrape it if you're careful. Just don't scratch it too much. I mean, that's basically it. You should have good suction now. Make sure that this guy goes around, make sure that it doesn't seem caught in any way. You can pick some of the fuzz off of the beaters if you want. And then to close it back up, it's pretty straightforward, just the same as before, same as taking it off. That shouldn't be a big deal. Go. It's just being a little sticky on all those guys. Back. Make sure that that's smooth on the bottom there to make sure we've got everything in. There's some little helper diagrams here to help you figure it out. And at that point, you should be able to plug it in and get good suction. Turn it on. That's it. Excellent suction there.